Hello guys, and welcome back to my new English lesson. My name is Irina and I'm a certified English teacher with more than 10 years of teaching experience. Today's lesson is dedicated to grammar. We're going to talk about the verb wish and how to use it correctly in a sentence. I've seen some students struggle with this grammar topic. However, in reality, there's nothing difficult or challenging. You just have to memorize the pattern. You just have to remember what grammar tense you have to use in each situation. Let me explain everything in detail. And if you want to support my work, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family members, and leave a comment. And without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, let's get started.
And let's start with the basics. First of all, we can use wish with nouns. We say, wish somebody luck, wish somebody all the best, wish somebody happiness, success, whatever. For example, I wish you all the best in the future. I wish you all the best in the future. Or, I saw Mark before the exam and he wished me luck. He wished me luck. However, we don't use the verb after the word wish in this case. So we don't say, I wish something happens. No. In this situation, in this case, you have to use the verb hope. I hope something happens. For example, I hope you feel better soon. I hope you feel better soon. In this case, we're not going to say, I wish you feel better soon, or I wish you felt better soon. No, I hope, because we use the verb after this construction. Let's compare two more examples. I wish you a pleasant stay at the hotel. I wish you a pleasant stay at the hotel. We use wish because after that we use a noun, stay. A stay is a noun. But what if we say, I hope you have a nice stay at the hotel, or I hope you enjoy your stay at the hotel. In this case, we use the verb have or enjoy, whatever you like. That's why we can't use wish anymore. We have to use hope. I hope you enjoy your stay at the hotel.
I wish you all the best. I do.
Now, let's look at this construction. Wish plus past simple. When and why do we use it? Well, we use wish plus person or thing plus past simple to talk about things we would like to be different in the present or future, but which are impossible or unlikely to happen. An example, imagine, I don't have a big house. I really want a big house, but it's something difficult to attain. It's something difficult to achieve. It's something unlikely at the moment. So I'm gonna say, I wish I had a big house. I wish I had a big house. In this case, I used wish. I wish I'm the person. I wish and then the past simple form of the verb have, had. I wish I had a big house, which means that I don't have this big house, but I would really like one. One more example. If you don't earn a lot of money, but you want to earn more money, like we all do, you could say, I wish I earned more money. I wish I earned more money. Do you wish you earned more money? One more example. I'm not a tall person. I think I would like to be a little bit taller, but now it's something impossible. So I'm gonna say, I wish I were taller. I wish I were taller. I am not tall. I wish I were taller. However, you can also use the form was. Were is used mostly in formal written speech, and it's correct. However, you can also use the form was, and it's going to be absolutely correct as well. So you can either say, I wish I was taller, or I wish I were taller. Which one do you prefer, by the way?
And I wish I were 20 years younger.
I wish I had more customers like you.
Well, I wish I had your confidence.
If you regret that you cannot do something in the present moment, you say, I wish I could do it. So you use the past simple form of the verb can. I wish I could. For example, you're at the party and you have to leave. So you tell your friend, I'm sorry, I can't stay any longer. I have to leave. And your friend tells you, I wish you could stay longer. I wish you could stay longer. You can't stay longer. It's impossible in this situation. That's why he says, I wish you could stay longer.
Homer, I wish you could stop.
Now, let's look at this construction. Wish plus would. Let me put an example first, and then I will explain the rule. I wish it would stop raining. I wish it would stop raining. What do I mean by that? It has been raining all day. I don't like it. I'm annoyed. I want to go outside. I want to go to the beach and sunbathe and have lots of fun with my friend outdoors. But I can't because it's raining. It's raining a lot. It's raining heavily. I'm annoyed by this situation. So I'm going to say, I wish it would stop raining. So we use the construction wish plus person or thing plus would or wouldn't to complain about a situation or to complain about people who do something repeatedly that annoys us. So basically you put would to show that you don't like something, you don't like the situation, you don't like some people's behaviors probably. You find it annoying. For example, if you have a friend who repeatedly interrupts you in the middle of the conversation and you're fed up with this, you are annoyed with this behavior, you can say, I wish you would stop interrupting me. I wish you would stop interrupting me. Wish, you is a person. Would, which refers to the state of annoyance, of being annoyed, interrupting me. I wish you would stop interrupting me. Or if you spend too much time at work and not enough time with your family and children, your wife may tell you, I wish you'd spend more time with your children. I wish you would spend more time with your children. She doesn't like the situation. She is annoyed probably. And that's why she tells you, I wish you would spend more time with your children.
Mother, I just wish you would stop interfering.
Wish everyone would stop asking me that.
And the last construction that you need to know about is wish for past regrets. If something happened in the past or didn't happen in the past, which you now regret, you have to use this construction, wish plus past perfect. What is past perfect? That's very easy. Past perfect is had or hadn't plus the past participle of the verb, the third form of the verb. For example, imagine that you didn't study hard at school and now you regret it because you can't find a good job. In this case, you're gonna say, I wish I had studied harder at school. I wish I had studied harder at school. So we use I wish, I, and past perfect of the verb had studied. I wish I had studied harder at school. If you said something unpleasant to another person, which you now regret, you're gonna say, I wish I hadn't said that to him. I wish I hadn't said that to him. So basically, we're talking about things that have already happened in the past, but we wish they'd happened in a different way. And therefore, we regret this now. Imagine you went to a birthday party yesterday and you ate a lot. You ate too much. Today, you have a stomach ache. You're not feeling well. So you regret your past choices. What are you going to say in this situation? I wish I hadn't eaten so much yesterday. I wish I hadn't eaten so much yesterday. I feel so bad right now.
I wish I had invested my money better.
Oh, I wish I had never met you.
Oh, I wish you had called.
Now, let's have a quick practice in order to recap everything that we have learned today. I'm going to tell you a phrase which you will have to transform by using the word wish. Phrase number 1. I'd like things to be different. I want to be fitter. I'd like to be fitter. I would like to be fitter. How are you going to transform this phrase? I wish I were fitter, or I wish I was fitter. Wish plus past simple to talk about something that we would like to be different in the present or future. Phrase number 2. Let's talk about something annoying, something that annoys us. For example, my younger brother always takes my things without asking. My younger brother always takes my things without asking. It annoys me. That's why we're gonna say, I wish my younger brother wouldn't take my clothes without asking. We use wish plus would or wouldn't to complain about something or to describe something that annoys us. And phrase number 3, let's talk about past regrets. I regret not seeing Michael Jackson live. I really regret it so much. I regret not seeing Michael Jackson live. In this case, it's something that is impossible to happen anymore. We're talking about our past regret. So we're gonna say, I wish I had seen Michael Jackson live. I wish I had seen Michael Jackson live. So we use wish plus past perfect to talk about past regrets. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Thanks everyone for watching. I really hope you learned something new and useful in this lesson. If you want to see more grammar lessons on my channel, leave a comment down below in the comments and let me know what grammar topics are you interested in. If there is still something that you didn't quite understand from this lesson, don't worry, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching, and give this video a thumbs up to support it, and I'll see you in our next English lesson. Bye!